You definitely can't tell me this didn't grow out of my scalp. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and if you're new, welcome. I am Nikki of nikicharmz. So today's video is a little different. It will be based on hair. I got a lot of compliments and questions on either where I got my hair from or my hair is very beautiful, and it's actually clip-ins. It looks very natural. You can't even tell where my hair ends. Well, in the back you can because I have a blunt cut underneath, but you definitely can't see where my hair ends. I don't even know if you can tell. This is my hair, and it blends in so much with this hair. But yes, I love it so much, and I'm about to put you onto it too. Ghostleek Hair Company is a uniquely curated collection of hair care extensions and hair care products. It's very good quality hair from Ghostleek, thehaircompany.com. They have a variety of hair extensions from tape-ins, clip-ins, bundles, and wigs, as well as hair care products and hot tools. So they have a huge collection. Also with a variety of different hair textures, which you can texture match if you need. So they have a little something for everyone. 22 inches. Comes it back, and I believe this one is the classic clip-ins, which is the Cambodian wavy. They have different textures. They have a body wave, they have kinky straight, they have kinky curly, so it's different types of textures, whatever matches yours closely. But I wanted one that matches mine closely, but also with some type of curl. If I want to wear a little more curly, I can. So this is the perfect texture for me. This is the hair when it's blown out. It normally comes curly, but I blew it out. I didn't straighten it yet, so imagine when it is straightened, it's even more silky and smooth, but it blends in fine with my hair right now. So I do like it in the blown out state, and I don't have to put too much heat damage towards my hair. Now it's just in its blown state, and it looks very natural. Like I said, you see my hair underneath, my blunt cut, but that can always be hidden away. This is more my style, very low maintenance, don't have to worry about too much. So I'm gonna take these clips out so you can actually see me put it in and show you the full tutorial of how I do my hair and how I prep it and everything like that. So you see my scalp, it's tangled a little bit, but no shedding, and that's what you want. No shedding. Now let's get into the tutorial. This is the hair all blown out. See how full it looks? I actually used a steamer straightener. It's the Ion Steam Pro. So that's what I use to get this look. I have three clips, one 5 clip, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 2 clips. And I may not use everything. I think I used all of them but the 5 clip in my hair before I took out this. So that was good enough. But I have 2 bundles because when I actually don't want to wear my hair out and I want to braid it back like if I was to have a sew-in or a wig on, I would braid it and then I would add more clips in. But when I have my hair out, I use less clips, if you get what I'm saying. So this is how it looks, all blown out. Now let's put them in. ponytail if you like. Put it in a high ponytail if you like as well. Try to do it. See, it's cool. Put in a little bun if you like as well. Obviously, I gotta comb it better, but just giving you a little idea of how versatile it is. You could clip it in a way that you could do a half up, half down as well. There's so many different ways you could wear this hair, but I normally just wear it in a straight middle part. See, and this is with it, with my bangs out. There's a little layer to it. Give it a little more layer and frame my face. This is actually one bundle, but I bought 2 bundles for when I want to make it a little more dramatic, especially when it's curly and you want it a little more wild and puffy. So I bought 2 bundles, but you can actually use just 1 bundle and it'll give you this full look right there. It's a flat iron. I have this Baby Bliss flat iron and I'm keeping it on 350. Just, it doesn't need too much flat ironing. I wish I had like a wider barrel, well, a wider straightener, but this is all I have. I barely use it. So this is what we're gonna use. This is the press side and this is the blown out side. So let's finish and let's get sleek on this side. This is the final look of it straightened. And I'll probably come back tomorrow so you can actually see it when I wrap it up and let it down fresh. But I'll definitely come back tomorrow so you can actually see it all laid down and my edges in place. And yeah, this is the final look. These clip-ins is definitely worth the money. I had these clips since last year actually. Maybe April 2022 is when I bought the hair. I wear them here and there. Like I go from wanting to have a bob to wanting long hair or just a different look. So I have it interchangeably. I may put it in a ponytail, wear it out like this, wear it curly, wear it straight, and they're so quick to put in. Like no more than 10 minutes. So it's very versatile if you're looking for something on the go. And I've washed this hair plenty of times and you can see it's still full. And if you haven't tried it, you definitely should because it's definitely good quality and worth the money. So that's a wrap for the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed and I hope that you guys shop GoSleekHairCompany.com. I'll link it down below and I have a discount code for you guys. Make sure to shop and use my referral code nikicharmz, NIKICHARZ. I'll put it on the screen right here for you guys and you'll receive some perks with shopping with them. So make sure to use nikicharmz at checkout. With that being said, it's a wrap for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Comment below if you decide on getting some clip-ins or just some bundles. They also have tape-ins and U-part wigs and I think a variety of other things. So just comment below and let me know what's the tea on GoSleek.com. If you ever shop with them or this will be your first time. Like I said, I had this for over a year and it is still holding on strong. So I'm definitely loving it and we'll be getting some more here in the future. And let me know if you want to see more hair videos like this. Like I said, I'm not really into necessarily the wig ones, but I'm more into like the natural clip-ins, tape-ins, type of extension that's easy and low maintenance. So if you're into things like that, make sure to stay tuned for my next video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And turn on your notification bell as I post weekly. I know I've been MIA, but life be lifing, so I'm gonna be honest. And until next time, be blessed, guys.